Good morning and welcome back to Auto Corner, and today is a special day because the CLS 55 AMG is gonna get remapped today, which is actually quite a big moment for this car. To get the car remapped, now I can finally after that drive it like a fucking asshole. So yeah, that's the plan. Still so much fucking oil in the exhaust. Hope you like the videos that I've been making. I try to make a little bit more videos now because I don't know, I feel like it. So yeah, onwards. First stop, of course, the gas station. Where else would you find? This is the normal habitat if you're a AMG or a V8 owner as well. I've actually come bored after 50 liters, so I'm happy with 50 liters. I don't know actually what the tank is, but it cannot be good. Actually, fuel economy on one of these things is not that bad. Of course, depends on how you drive it and if you have the wrong mapping, of course. But right now, I need to also check the tires because the tires levels is not. We need some air in the tires, basically. So it's a long drive, so we need air in the tires. You don't see that every day. Oh my god, what a fucking truck. Well, that went to shit. The machine is actually broken. On to the next one. I mean, this is the thing. I could have planned yesterday, filled up the tires and filled up the car, but I didn't. So now we're hunting for the next one. See if those guys has it. Must have a fucking tire. Yes, they have it. Beautiful. Now I'm ready for the road. Tires inflated, car is filled up. This reminds me of the song by Milli Vanilli. Blame it on the rain. First road trip in the new car, and weather is not really the ideal driving situation, but we are soldiering on, as we always do. Never give up. We're actually now heading to Borås, which is a city near Gothenburg in Sweden. And it's actually a very famous city for being the rainiest town in the entire kingdom of Sweden. I think even in the world it's ranked quite high actually, especially in Europe. And of course today it's raining. It's always raining here. I don't know how you can live here. It's always raining. And now I don't live here, so it might be oh, it's always raining and I live here. No, it doesn't. There you go, Borås. There you go, Borås for you right there. I'm gonna give you a montage of Borås. Outside Borås and Kelsuplis, Renas. Well, we made it well in time, so now I can just relax. I mean, he opens in about 30 minutes. So yeah, I'm just enjoying the view of the car and enjoying the scenery. Need to wash it after this though. Let's see how everything is in the engine. Partial driver right there. Everything seems to be under control, which is nice. So yeah, it's a fun road trip, I have to say. And now one of the reasons I never talk about it really is why I bought the CLS 55 AMG. Well, it's a car that not a lot of people know about. There were not a lot of them produced. They only produced for 2 years, 2004 to 2006 technically, but basically all of them are, I think, produced in 05. I've never seen an 06 model. They are very unique. The design when it was launched was, I mean, look at it. It still looks good today, and comparing to the E-Class, which is this car is based on, it's basically the same car, but it looks much better. And the interior quality, I think the design is better, and the overall quality inside is actually better than the E55s. And compared to the E55s as well, this car was launched back in 05, like I said. The E55 was launched 2002, 2003. So the small problems they had with the E55 in the beginning, for example that gearbox oil I think and something else were mixed up, was fixed on this model. So yeah, that's why I chose the E55. And it was so easy to tune as well compared to the 63s. The 63s, they have the problem with the engine. Funny enough, I replaced my engine, but they have a limited lifetime, and if you're gonna tune them, it's actually much easier to tune this. And I sort of enjoyed the torque of this car much better. So yeah, there's something about the 55. I don't know, I like the supercharged M113 engine more than I like the V8 from the 63s. But yeah, I'm going to chill here for a moment, and then we're going to a company called TM Ship Tuning, and they seem to be an okay tuner. They do know what they're doing. The guy I talked to is German. He has tuned quite a lot of these cars, so I think he knows what's up. This is the German guy's place. I love that he has a garage, the house next to the garage, and he tuned cars. Messy.
Där finns en kvar som inte vill gå bort.
Men det står något i memory. Vad är det för något?
Ett CAN-bussystem. Då har vi här audio. De intresserar mig inte överhuvudtaget. CAN-bus. Hela kommunikation i bilen. Att han inte vill synkronisera korrekt det.
Varför det?
Bra fråga.
So right now he plugged in the. I have to say though, this guy, he knows his shit. He's really knowledgeable about these cars and also other cars. So what we did was we read some error codes, and we got a few of them. The reason why is because of the battery was almost dead. So we removed all of those. So he checked everything that was okay, and now we're gonna drive basically 5 minutes and see if we get any more error codes. This is before putting the tune in. We also seen that because of Eurocharge tune, you cannot see what software is inside of the car, so we have to open up the entire unit to see the software, to see what version it is basically, so we can tune it correctly. but it seems, yeah, that's what we're going to do now. I have to say, this guy, he knows his shit. It's always fun to go to someone who really knows his stuff. So yeah.
De kan hända att de har lödat en chip, alltså de tar ut chip
i styrsystemet.
lägger en kopierskuddssockel under så att ingen kan kopiera den programvara, men i dagsläget ingen gör sån jobb, för det är inte intressant att kopiera som programvara. Så normalt skriver man bara via OBD in, men de tog hela koderingen bort. Så att ingen kan se vad är det för Bosch-nummer, vad är det för programvara-version, att kan kopiera och ta över den. Ja. Egentligen är det helt idiotiskt.
Kan du bara vända så de står viktiga?
Vi ska bara se 208664.
Det är Bosch-nummer. Den har haft ganska många resor, den här du. Den har gått hela världen, där hela tiden.
Skulle jag aldrig göra, att skicka min styrsystem till Amerika.
Men du vet hur mycket man betalar för det?
Jag vet inte vad de tar för detta, 15 eller någonting?
Nej, men jag tror den 180 mm, det är kränkhjulet 180 mm plus det där, jag tror det var typ så 60 000.
Ja, det är bara den hjul, om jag har beställt dem från dem, inklusive frakt. De gick någonstans på 14 eller 15 000. Det är bra, har de inte gjort. Där har vi tur.
Okej, bra. Då är du glad och jag glad.
Lite grann.
Det är som så med Star. Bara du håller kanal så blir allting jättebra. Eller lite bättre i alla fall.
Så, ska vi se.
Jag var på en konsert igår, måste berätta lite hur det var. Jag lyssnade. Och innan du tar över så måste jag spela Alpina. Det är lite nationella, eller hur?
Which is Eurocharge magic right there. What they did was the coding that's on the box is not even for this car. It was actually really wrong. But now the guy is installing the correct software for it. I got an error code on that one.
Ja, okej. Exakt. Nej, alltså det kan du inte göra, för om då måste du ta upp uppgifterna, det är alltså pengar för, vad det är slitage på de grejer, det kan du glömma helt. Nästa vecka ska spola flygtidsmässan ligga på 15 plus hela jobbet. Alltså det är nog enklare om du tar
Vi ser om bilen blir glad nu.
Ja.
Du har sin landsman som jobbar på den.
Exakt. Inte en yankee. Ja, ser du? Nu passar det med ESP. Ja, därför att de lägger fel program bara i.
Fan vad skönt. This is the first couple of meters with the new software. Find out how it's going to be. It works. Oh my god, what a feeling. Oh my god, what a car. I can finally drive my car. Oh my god, that's a nice feeling, dude. automatic upshift, but it didn't. Oh my god. Oh my god, it works. Such a nice feeling, I'm telling you. Oh my god. Oh my god. I've been waiting for this moment. Oh my god. We have a POV video on AutoCornered, so if you want to check that video also out. So I really like the new A-Class. I mean, the interior of this is just unbelievable. The quality of the wheel, the pedals, the screens, everything like that is great. I drove the 2-liter engine, it was actually okay. It has a bit of weird turbo lag, sort of. I cannot really explain it. But it does go actually quite fast, and it's actually, I mean, it's a really big step forward. I mean, compared to the old one. It really is. So. But yeah, at least you have the link also in the description on the POV video. So I'm gonna go back to my Mercedes. I thought I'm gonna scare my wife driving it. It's the other way around.
160, what's that?
It was not 160, it was allegedly 160. Allegedly. It's 70 here and we drove 70. Allegedly 160. Allegedly.
Skoja.
So yeah, hope you liked the video. You have the link in the description for the POV of the new Mercedes A-Class and the CLS 55 AMG in the description. It was such a good feeling getting the car done. It was really a lot of work put into that car, and going to that guy was the last step, and now it works perfectly and I could not be happier. I will do a separate video on the entire experience at TM Ship Tuning, so I'm gonna do the drawback. That video is in Swedish, so if you want to see that, I will also it's also in the description, and another video that will come in the future on tips on how to tune the CLS 55s and the E35s, the M113 engines, because there is a lot of misconception on the internet about those engines. So I will try to make a video of that. And once again, thanks a lot for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and more videos to come here on AutoCornered.